I bet you're curious, are you, about the promotions that doTERRA has going on? What's on sale? What's discounted? And is there a free promotion for enrolling this month? My name is Caroline Lee, and we're going to dive into everything you need to know about doTERRA's promotions for February. All right, let's talk a little bit about what is on discount. So this is something special that's going on just for this month. Normally it is 10% off. They have a product that is discounted for you. And this month they're doing something very special. They're actually going to do 15% off of Yarrow Palm. So you can be bold and beautiful. So for the month of February, you can get this limited time offer of this bottle of Yarrow Palm at 15% off. And this is available while supplies last. So if you're a wholesale customer, that's going to be $50.15. It's going to be $46.75 PV. And then if you're just retail and you just want to buy it at the discounted price, it will be $66.87. So let's talk a little bit about what is so great about Yarrow Palm Serum and why would you want to use it. So let's talk about the oils that are present in Yarrow Palm. So we have the Yarrow Palm oil, we have the pomegranate seed oil, we have the coffee seed extract, and then you have things like jojoba, sunflower, avocado, grapeseed, and argan kernel oils. And that's going to be really all of those are moisturizing oils. They're going to hydrate it and help prevent the normal signs of aging. So Yarrow Palm, as you see on the screen, it's going to help reduce the appearance of aging skin and promote so you have that younger looking skin, which everybody wants, right? We want to get that and just bathe in it. We also have pomegranate seed oil, and that is actually going to help support the natural skin barrier, and you want to protect that and keep the toxins things out in the environment and protect your skin. And then the coffee seed extract is going to just condition the skin and help the appearance. So it seems like your skin is smooth and improves the texture and just really makes the skin feel great. For me, I notice the coloring on my skin. I have lots of freckles. The freckles are reducing, and that I almost have a glow on my face. So how can you use Yarrow Palm Serum? You can just add a few drops of it to your favorite moisturizer. You'll notice that it is kind of blue in color. So just make sure you have it in a lotion or some carrier. Otherwise, if you put a lot on your skin, you're going to be blue for a little while until it absorbs in. You can also apply 1 drop to your skin in the morning for, again, that dewy glow. Like I mentioned, my skin, it does really feel fresh and it has that kind of glow to it. You can also apply it to body lotion and then apply it to your hands and feet when they're dry. So this is definitely a really good oil to have on hand for your face, but also for your body. All right, let's move on to the free product of the month. This is for those who have memberships with doTERRA and are on the loyalty rewards program. This is an optional program, which actually gives you lots of benefits. You can earn free shipping. You can earn some of your product value back that you can redeem for future product. So it's a great way if you're going to be a loyal customer and buy something every month, you can be on this program and change what you want every month, but you also can earn a free oil every month. So this is the product. Fennel is what they're offering today. So if you place a 125-point loyalty rewards order by February 15th, you will receive a free bottle of fennel. And so why is fennel so great and how can you use it? Well, let's talk a little bit about fennel. So I think it's very fitting that it's in February because we've set new goals. We're on a new path, a new year. But this is the oil of responsibility and personal power. So we want to really step into whatever we want to create this year and use this oil. So it's going to help in tune your body to be more responsible emotionally, right? And it's going to blend really well with lavender, cinnamon, lemon, and basil. And it is kind of a strong oil. So fennel reminds me of like black licorice because it's the main ingredient in black licorice. So if you don't like that, make sure you dilute it. It is really strong, but you can actually diffuse it There's a great diffuser blend, 3 drops of fennel, 3 drops of bergamot. A great option of doing that. But it's definitely a great essential oil. It does help some very calming effects to the body and can help with the digestive system. So let me give you some practical ways that you can use it if you're craving sweets, especially in the afternoon. I usually crave it when my kids are going to bed at 8. It's probably because I don't need to share the stuff with them. But if you want to, you can put 1 drop in a glass of water. Again, don't use plastic, use glass or sterling or metal, so that you're not breaking down the toxins in there. But drink 1 drop in an 8-ounce glass of water, and that's going to help curb those cravings. You also have some DIY rollers. We've got men's cologne. We have a tummy tamer. So maybe you don't like fennel by itself and you want to try something different than digestive blend. You can try this one with fennel, ginger, peppermint, and fractionated coconut oil. And then Milky Mama, this is great for milk production. This is something I used when I was breastfeeding with my babies. And you do it afterwards because you don't want the baby to taste it. And you want that to absorb into the breast to help with facilitating the milk production. So definitely is a great one to have if you have little ones. All right, let's go ahead and move on to your digestive tract that needs some love in the month of February. So for every 200 PV or point value purchased in the month of February, you will receive both the digestive 15 ml blend and the digestive soft gels. Now, this will be available while supplies last, with a limit of 4 per account. But we are excited that you can actually, if you want to stock up and you need to stock up with this, you can actually do the, if you have a $400 order, 400 PV order, you don't have to do that in separate orders. You can actually do it in 400 and they'll send you 2 of the bundles. So up to 4 times that. So just note that if you go all the way up to 800 PV, you'll receive the maximum of 4 bottles of the digestive blend as well as the digestive soft gels. So this is kind of exciting, something new that they have done. But this one is a favorite. This one's one that I say everybody needs in their medicine cabinet for those times when you have some digestive discomfort. So let's talk a little bit about what's in Digest Zen for a second here. And you can see we've got coriander, peppermint, ginger, anise, fennel, caraway, and cardamom. And all of them are going to aid in the digestive system and help calm and manage it. So this is why we love this. Now, some people don't like that predominant fennel and ginger taste. So the soft gels are where it's going to be at. So you can use that when you're feeling bloated, or I use it if I'm traveling, or I know I'm going to eat something that's going to cause some gas. I will take the digestive at my mealtime. But you can also, on the left side, you can see lots of different ways that you can use it. You can put a drop of the oil in your food or your water, again in glass, and drink that to help your digestive system. If you're going to do greasy foods, right, you may want to use this when you're out and about. It's wonderful for babies. So I used it on my baby's tummies, diluted. But you can add grapefruit and 2 tablespoons of fractionated coconut oil on the tummy when it's upset. You can, gargle in the ounce of water as a mouth rinse if you eat in a meal with strong smells like garlic and onions. You can take it in a capsule if you want to, and you don't have the digestive soft gel, but this one you're going to have that. But I want to point out that the emotional support on this one, the digestive oils in the blend make it useful for digesting difficult emotions, assimilating new information, and achieving a state of feeling nourishment. So this is a great one to emotionally help support our bodies as well. All right, let's talk a little bit about what is available that hasn't been available for a while, and that is the baby collection. Now, doTERRA's finally brought this back, and all individual products are currently available. And the baby collection will be available for purchase starting February 1st, which is today, and you have a limit up to 4. So you can buy the whole collection. The whole collection will be, if you're a member, is $39.50 with 20 PV. Or yeah, it's for retail customers, it is $52.67. So note that this is a different pricing than previously announced, but this is the price. So you can buy these individually if you wish. So it has the hair and body wash, the baby lotion, and the diaper cream. So makes great gifts for babies. I know I've stocked them up and given them to new mommies so that they have something that's natural. They have the benefit of the essential oils, but something that's going to be very safe and gentle for their little babies. All right, the last thing I want to talk a little bit about is there is an enrollment promo. So we're excited to announce that the 100 promo has been extended from last month. That means that any new enrollments of a 100-point order in the month of February will also have the opportunity to earn a 100-point value or $100 worth of oils, right? Later on. So the way that this works is if you get started in February and your order is at least totals 100 points, then in March, if you decide to place a 100-point order in March on the loyalty rewards order, then in April, you'll receive 100 doTERRA dollars. So this is a great way. A lot of people like to break up their starting order and they break it up into smaller ones so they can capitalize and receive the extra benefit of the freebie, right? Who doesn't want to have something that's free? So if you are new and would like to get started, please let me know. There is a benefit too where you can actually get the membership fee waived. And that way you become a member of doTERRA and you don't have to pay that fee. And that is where you can make your own kit. But we have starter kits that are available. I could definitely let you know about that as well. And let me see if there's anything else I want to mention. Nope, I think that's it. So like I said, I am happy to help you with getting started with doTERRA if that is what you wish. Thank you so much for watching this channel. Please consider liking and subscribing and following on learning more about essential oils.